what will be 200 years from now.
Men, lions, eagles, crow, the antlered deer, wild geese and spiders, the fish, the silent creatures of the deep, organisms invisible to the naked eye, stars in heaven so distant the human eye cannot perceive them. These and all living things, all, have shuffled off their mortal coil and are no more. For more than 1,000 centuries, the earth has remained lifeless. No single living creature yet remains. They are extinct. And now, this poor moon shines her pale light on an empty world. The herons in the meadows awake no more. Their cries are silent. The crickets are silent in the trees. All is cold, cold, cold. All is empty, empty, empty. All is terror, terror, terror. The bodies of all living things have returned to dust, and eternal matter has been reduced to stone, to water, to cloud. All of the souls of the universe have been melded into one, and I am that universal soul. I contain them all. Alexander the Great, Caesar, Shakespeare, Napoleon, and the vilest parasite. In me, the consciousness of humanity is merged with the brute instinct of the animals, and I remember it all. And in me, each life is lived anew.
There's supposed to be some more.
I am alone. Once in 100 years, I open my mouth to speak, and my voice echoes mournfully in the wasteland, and no one hears me. Even you, pale lights, you do not hear it. You are born before morning in the muddy swamp, and you wander till dawn without thought, without direction, without any shudder of life. For fear you may engender life, the eternal father of eternal matter, the demon, changes you moment by moment as he changes the rocks and the water. He makes your atoms dance unceasingly. In all the universe, only I, pure soul, remain eternal and unchanged. I am like a prisoner, thrown into a deep, empty well. I have no sense of where I am or what awaits me. Yet I know that victory will at last be mine in the savage, ceaseless struggle with the demon, the source of all material impulses, and then matter and soul will join in beautiful harmony. But that moment will come slowly, after a long procession of centuries when the moon, the bright star Sirius, and Earth itself have all returned to dust, and until that moment, all is horror, horror! See, he approaches, my mighty enemy, the demon.
Something smells. Is that part of the effect? Yes. Oh, it's a special effect.
He mourns the absence of humanity.
I'm going to catch a cold like that. The doctor must look horrible in the presence of the devil, the father of eternal matter.
That's it! The play's over. Lights.
What's the matter with him?
I'm very sorry. I forgot that only a select few are permitted to write and star in plays. I tiptoed into the sacred territory of the proper artist. And see what happens? I mean, for me, too. I just